Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is yesterday's shoulders and arms workout. Now I know that shoulders and arms is pretty boring to watch. Well, the shoulders part is interesting because, well, it's a compound movement, but arm work, which is isolation work, is fairly boring. So what I'm going to do is, I've thrown in clips of Jaideep and Dipen doing squats and front squats respectively. And as far as my clips go, all the arm work has been shortened for you guys. So this is a short video and the clips are going to be also short. So for example, if let's say I'm doing barbell curls and I'm going to do 10 reps, you guys are going to see like 5 or 6 of those 10 reps. So hopefully no one will get bored and I'll be able to keep you all engaged. Jaideep, you guys are going to watch him do squats next. He's a scuba diver and he's back on shore for a while now in the mainland in Bombay, and he took 60 kilos and I think he did 5 or 6 sets. No, actually I think he did 7 or 8 sets, and I think this was the last set, and we realized it's the last set because he failed over here. So he failed at the bottom. I think he lost his tightness and he wasn't able to brace his core. Keep in mind that he's doing squats for the first time in I think 8 or 9 months. So he's just come back from his season and he failed, but then he redeemed himself. He's going to come back and he's going to smash it. He's going to get 3 more reps. So that's pretty good. That's what happens with beginners though. Sometimes beginners fail and then they come back and they get it. Hey, sometimes it happens with advanced trainees like me as well. When I do deadlifts and if say I fail, well, I have a rule. If let's say I fail off the floor on deadlifts, then 1 fail is okay. Then I'm going to attempt it again. But if I do 2 fails off the floor, that means the weight has to be dropped. There's no way that a 3rd attempt is going to be successful if there have been 2 failures off the floor. Alright, this is Dipen. Dipen is doing front squats with a pause at the bottom with 125 kilos, which is 275 pounds. I'm still getting used to using kilos, but it's getting easier and easier. And it's in a way, it just takes a... The reason why pounds is so important is because I've been training with pounds all along. So for example, if I say I did a deadlift with 455 pounds, I know relatively how difficult it's going to be. I know what to expect, how heavy it's going to feel. And then if you tell me, oh Ashim, you're going to take 205 kilos, and I'm going to be thinking like, okay, how much is that? That's 451, and 205, is it supposed to be hard? Is it not supposed to be hard? So that, just to get that estimation right, it's taken a while, but I'm getting the hang of it, so that's good. Alright, these are seated extensions, lots and lots of reps. I've taken 2 different video angles over here for this, just to show you all. Alright, this is Jaideep. He's going to redeem himself on this set. He's going to get 60 kilos for 3 again, I think, and he's very happy. This is 65 kilos. We added weight, we added collars. I forgot to mention that. So I didn't even write this down in the video. I apologize for that. But yeah, he took 65 kilos, and which is 5 kilos more, and he nailed it. So major props. Alright, this is the last set of exercises. These are parallel bar dips, supersetted with preacher curls. I'm not quite sure how wise it is to superset biceps and triceps. What I found before is it's much better to do biceps and then triceps and triceps. So maybe next time that's what I'll do. I'll divide these 6 exercises into not 3 as a triplet, not like triples, but what I will do is have one like main lift where I'll try to go heavy, and then the others I'll just do lightweight for 1 more reps. Maybe that'll be better because I'm doing this audio commentary the next day. Today is Monday. This workout was done on Sunday, and I have no soreness. I feel nothing. I feel like I haven't even worked out. But I know that during the workout I felt a nice pump, and I was pretty tired. So let's see. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you.